Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson guys. You have check engine light on and any of the following codes, such as code P0068 or code P0069. Stay with us, we will explain guys what to look for and what to check guys, because that should actually work on multiple generation and multiple engines Hyundai Tucson. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So this right here guys is a 2.4 GDI engine that we'll be demonstrating on. Now before we start, many of you have asked me in the comment section below to actually share information about the computer and diagnostics that we recommend and use daily at the shop. That's the one guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. You can check the current price and features. So it works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai is right here and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Number 2 guys, I will recommend to disconnect the car battery because you will be working close to the radiator fan, and if that thing activates for some reason, even if you yank a wire out, it can happen. And what can happen guys, it can actually cut your fingers off, you can see like that. So disconnect guys, okay, the car battery. On these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the engine, computer and the electrical system, and that can cost you quite a bit of money to fix and headache as well. Now with all that being said guys, safety procedure first. Let's continue now. If you look right here on the intake manifold past the throttle body, you have that sensor that is known as a MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor. You have one connector here as well. That connector you can see that goes to it. So now if you have any of these codes, what to look for: inspect that the wires are not broken or cut. We've seen to where the wires will come loose and the radiator fan will catch them and cut them, or people will forget to plug it all the way in. You gotta make sure it goes all the way in because you have one fat seal that prevents water and moisture from getting inside the wires guys. So push it all the way in until you hear a click. If the wire is in good condition, you disconnect it, reconnect it, you still get that code, it's very likely that you actually guys have a bad MAP sensor that you will need to replace. And if you need to do that, we have a video that explains how to replace MAP sensor, and also you can find the link below where to get MAP sensor from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.